Good afternoon. We are coming to you live on Fox 5. I'm Ariel Arnold.
And I'm Jada Jackson.
Recently, we got an earthquake in California. Here goes Jada with some information about the earthquake.
During the earthquake, there were 3,757 injuries and 69 deaths. The magnitude on the Richter scale was 6.9. The epicenter is low percentage. The time of the earthquake was 5:04 in the afternoon. The cost of damage was $5 billion. The earthquake lasted 15 seconds.
This has been Ariel Arnold
And Jada Jackson
with your news report. Have a good afternoon.